Welcome to Nano ELearn and back to manual testing video series. In today's video, we'll learn about what is structure-based testing and its various types. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For complete information, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. What is structure-based testing? Basically, white box testing is the other term used for structure-based testing. This technique requires knowledge of systems code or internal architecture in order to carry out the testing. Now let's learn about various types of structure-based testing. First type is statement testing. Here in this type of testing, the test scripts are designed to execute application's code statements. The line of code or the statements run by the test scripts are used to determine the coverage. The next type was decision testing or branch testing. Here, the test scripts use a testing technique to execute various decision branches of the application. For example, if-else conditions. Its coverage is calculated as a percentage of the total number of decision points in the application. The next type is condition testing. Condition testing is a testing method in which the application is tested with both true and false outcomes for each condition. As a result, we'll have 2n test scripts for n conditions. The next type was multiple condition testing. Distinct combinations of condition outcomes are examined at least once in multiple condition testing. As a result, we'll need 2n test scripts to get 100% coverage. It is extremely difficult to attain 100% coverage in this manner. The last type of testing was path testing. Here, the system's independent pathways are being tested. That is, the paths are executable statements from entry to the exit point. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.